wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding walkers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Stander Easy Fold and Go features lockable swiveling wheels, making it simple for you to maneuver around furniture and corners. It offers plenty of room between its handles and can stand on its own when collapsed, thanks to its clever rear leg design. This one has a sporty look and feel, however it's not the best for the extremely frail, and the wheels can feel wobbly when they're unlocked. At number 9, the Hugo Mobility Sidekick collapses for storage with one swift pull of its seat strap and fits in most car trunks, making it great for giving you independence. The handy supportive sling seat has a little give, so it's comfortable to sit on for prolonged periods. It's equipped with an extra-wide backrest for support, and the instructions are senior-friendly, but some taller users don't like it. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the wide-space design of the Nova Traveller 3-wheel provides good control and makes it unlikely that you'll trip on its rear legs. It also has a generous amount of removable storage, with a large bag for personal items and a basket on top for sunglasses and the like. The basket lid doubles as a table, and there's a zippered closure on the bag. However, it's not great on uneven surfaces. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding walkers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, striking a fine balance between stability and portability, the Medline Freedom weighs just 11 pounds, though it can support adults weighing up to 250. Its arms and seat are adjustable for users ranging in height from 4'11" to 6'4", so it's basically a guaranteed fit. It offers a tool-free assembly along with a nicely padded seat and backrest, but it's not as simple to fold as some. Moving up our list to number 6, the Drive Medical 4-wheel has a comfortable padded seat, providing you with a place to rest when you get tired or have to wait in line somewhere. It also has highly responsive brake grips on the handles, with ridges that make them easy to squeeze firmly. The front bar doubles as a backrest, and the metal construction feels sturdy. However, it is a bit heavy at 20 pounds. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Drive Deluxe has soft, malleable grips on the handles, so your hands can hold on tight when you go over bumps, and it has thick anti-slip rubber stoppers on the bottoms of its legs for safety. It folds totally flat, making it easy to store under a bed. It's good value for the price and features a safe 2-button release system and 8 height settings. At number 4, the healthsmart Euro style comes with a large storage tote that can go under the seat or be worn as a bag with the included shoulder strap, making it great for running errands. It also boasts oversized wheels that move smoothly over any surface to help you feel secure. It includes a convenient cane holder and an adjustable handle height. However, some dislike the back wheel positioning. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a bariatric model, the Nova Mighty Mack, is appropriate for users weighing up to 500 pounds and has an extra wide seat for convenience and comfort. As you might imagine, this makes it a little bigger than many others, but it's still easily foldable for transport. You can choose between blue and red, both with integrated seat padding. It's good for average to tall individuals. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding walkers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Hugo Mobility Elite offers a simple tool-free assembly that even frail individuals can manage without assistance. It comes with extra-large 8-inch wheels for stability, and its strong frame won't bend or break easily. The included accessories bags are easy to remove, and the seat height is adjustable. It supports adults weighing up to 300 pounds. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Nova Zoom is available in 4 sizes, from 20 to 24 inches, which ensures you'll be properly supported. Its locking handbrakes are designed for comfortable use and reliable control, so you'll feel safe and secure even when walking down inclined surfaces. It comes with an extra-large padded seat and a storage bin under the seat. Its wide-set wheels provide stability. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding walkers, or simply click beneath this video.